Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and isolating power to avoid damage. Once safe, remove the battery or unplug the unit, then put on an ESD strap so you don't fry components. Use a small Torx or hex driver and a plastic spudger. Open the first perimeter screws clockwise into a labeled tray so you can reverse the order. As you lift the first panel, note connector tabs and take a photo. This makes reassembly faster and explains why each fastener mattered. Once the outer shell is off, you'll expose the midframe and internal modules, so proceed methodically. First, lift retention clips on ribbon cables. Do not yank them, then label each cable by number to avoid cross-connection later. Unscrew the midframe while supporting the PCB with your free hand to prevent strain on solder joints. Remove the heatsink and fans next, keeping screws grouped by location. Taking notes as you go explains the dependencies between parts and prevents damage. Finish by removing small connectors, rubber mounts, and sensors. Handle flex cables gently because tears end the repair. Once components are separate, inspect solder joints, connector pins, and the thermal paste on chips. Replace paste if degraded. Reassembly follows the reverse order. Align midframe, torque screws evenly, and reconnect labeled cables. After power-up, make sure to watch boot behavior and run a thermal checklist. If it fails, check loose connectors first. That simple step solves most post-reassembly issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.